Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an empties video. I haven't filmed one of these for a while because I have been dutifully collecting my empties in this bag, and the bag is pretty much full. So I figured I would film this video for you guys. If you don't know, empties videos are one of my favorite videos to film because I feel like I'm actually using things that I spend my money on. I don't know, for me it's just super satisfying, and I hope it's good for you guys because you actually get to see what products I am actually using and using up and my reviews on them, because once you finish a product you obviously, or I would hope that one would form an opinion about it. So with all of that being said, I am just gonna dive on in and see what's in here and talk about it with you guys. So the first thing that I pulled out is this Nivea Oil Infused Lotion. This scent is vanilla and almond oil. I love this lotion. I finished one that had a different scent in the last empties video, or two empties videos ago, and repurchased just a different scent. I think this lotion's really nice. It's very like soothing and light because it's the oil infused. So I love it. I highly recommend. I haven't repurchased though, because if you see in one of my videos, I think it's my favorites video, at Marshall's I purchased this like big tub of like body lotion just because it smelled really good, it seemed really nice, and it was super affordable because it was from Marshall's. And there's a lot in there. It's going to take me a while to use that, so I'm working on finishing that up before I buy anything else, but I am sure at some point I will buy this again. And then just overall, it's a really great lotion. This is a hair product. This is the Herbal Essences Rejuvenate Bourbon Manuka Honey Conditioner. So they have like a bunch of different, like, not brands under Herbal Essences, but a bunch of different types of shampoos and conditioners. And this is like the Bio Renew. I don't know, but this one's a little bit different. You can obviously just tell by the packaging, but it's kind of like that old school packaging at the same time. I love this. It just makes my hair feel amazing, number one, and number two, the scent, oh my god, it's so good. And so I actually bought this at Target, and sometimes Target has those deals where it's like buy 4 get a $5 Target gift card, and I'm pretty sure that's what happened in this case. And so I bought the shampoo and conditioner of this, which I don't have the shampoo yet because I have a little bit left in it, so that'll be in my next empties video. And then I bought the shampoo and conditioner of, it's the blue one, I forget what that scent is, and I love both scents. So I know it's good to go back and forth between different brands of shampoo and conditioner so your hair doesn't get like 100% used to it. And I'm sure I'll do that, but I will definitely be coming back to this because it smells so good. I can't get over how good it smells, and like, it's not just that, but like you can actually smell it in your hair after, which I love. I love this. Highly recommend. So next is actually a few makeup products. The first two are mascaras. This first one is the Colossal Volume Express by Maybelline. I love this mascara, to be honest. I love most Maybelline mascaras. I have repurchased this in the past. This is not like my first bottle of this mascara. And I think I will do so in the future. I tend to just randomly buy mascaras. I don't always like buy the same ones. So I think this is a good one. And then it also is this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really love this one because of the brush. It's like thicker and then a little bit thinner, and then it gets really thick at the ends, and I just think this does really well for volume for me, and a little bit for length too. So I really like this mascara. It is more expensive than the normal mascaras that I get. I normally get mascaras from the drugstore. I think that was a sample. I don't know. It seems pretty big to be a sample. I mean, it's obviously like a sample size, not full size, but it seems pretty big to be like something that was sent as a sample, but it could have been. But yeah, I enjoyed that mascara. I really liked it. I would repurchase it. It's just a little more expensive than I normally do. So the other makeup product is the Stila Magnificent Metals collection or glitter product, where basically like you dip it in here and then you get like the liquid glitter. I loved this. This was amazing. I probably had it for like a year, and it's just, I clearly didn't use it all, as you can see, but it's certainly dried up, and I did use a lot of it. I had it in the color Smoky Storm, which is a gold color, as you can tell by the packaging and also the glitter in there. I loved this. I used it for a lot of like going out events and stuff like that, for bachelorette parties. I used it on my friends at their bachelorette parties. I love it for like inner corner. It really just adds something to a look. So I don't know if I will be repurchasing this color, but currently in my cart on my Ulta app, I have another one of these that I will be buying just because I really like them and I like to have a little glitter in my life. I just realized there was another makeup product. This is the Great Lash Maybelline New York. This is like the clear mascara. And it's interesting because I was thinking about what I was going to say about this, I guess when I put it in here. And I was thinking that, you know, I've repurchased this quite a few times and that I would probably continue to do so because it's just, you know, a cheap, easy thing to use. But to be honest, since I started using, this is also Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel, which this has a color to it. So that you're tinting your brows at the same time. But since I started using that, I've noticed such a difference in like the staying power. Like it has much, much better hold than this gel. And so I think I'll probably stick towards that instead of using this, because the only reason I'm using this is just so my brows stay in place throughout the day. Like I'll wear it like before work or something, because most of the time for work I just wear mascara and brows and any cover up that I need. So it's kind of one of those things where it's like, if it's not doing as good of a job as something else, then why even get it? So I don't think I will be repurchasing that one, even though I thought I would be. Next is this Soap & Glory Face Soap and Clarity 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. And this face wash has like all the little beads in it, and I'm not sure if these ones disintegrate or not, but I honestly bought this and then learned about all that being like an issue. I had this face wash for a really long time. Learned about like the beads just being not good for the environment and stuff. So because of that, I won't be repurchasing it. Overall, I thought it was a good face wash. It made me feel refreshed after. I got a little bit of exfoliation because of the beads, but it also had a pretty good foaming power, so I felt like it actually gave me a good clean. Because sometimes exfoliating face washes don't lather at all, and I feel like my face doesn't get like washed enough. Sorry for all the dogs barking outside. My dog, the neighbor dog, they're all the neighbor's dogs. We have dogs on either side of us. They're all out there, so they get a little cray sometimes. But yeah, with all of that being said, I thought it was a good face wash. I just, because of the bead thing, I'm like, do I really need them? No. So I won't be repurchasing that one. This is a Sugar Scrub Gingerbread scrub. I won this or got this as a gift at my sister-in-law's bridal shower. I had it in our like cabinet forever, never used it, and I've recently gone back to really giving my legs a good scrub before I shave, and so I started using this, finished this, and then I started using another scrub. I won't be repurchasing this because I honestly have no idea where it's from, but it did a good job, and it inspired me to start using other scrubs, which I'm sure I will be repurchasing. The one I'm using now is from Marshall's, so I don't know if I'll be able to find it again, but I love it. It is so good. It smells so good, makes my legs feel so soft. It's just amazing. So even though I won't be repurchasing this one, it inspired me to actually start using my scrubs. And this is kind of the same story. This I got, so my old job, I used to do a lot of site visits at hotels for different events. And a lot of times when they're trying to like schmooze you to go there and stay at that hotel, they'll give you like gifts. And so one of them, I got this Pure Fiji body butter. It came with like a bunch of, like, it came with like a kit of like bathroom stuff. And I used this, I just like finished it up. I kept it in like my travel bag and would use it when I was traveling as like a hand lotion or whatever I needed it for. But I don't know where else I would find Pure Fiji. So I wanted to include it because I finished it. I also finished these Pond's like makeup removers. I think these came as a sample of something I bought. I don't really buy makeup wipes at all. I don't see the point when I can just use the micellar cleansing water, or I have some face oils that remove makeup and stuff like that too. But I think these were like a sample or something, so I did use them. I don't love makeup wipes in general, so like my opinion on these is like they were fine. They did what they needed to do, but they're not my favorite. I'd prefer to use one of the other methods. So I won't be repurchasing them, but since I got them, I didn't want to waste them, so I used them up. And then my last two are candles, which surprisingly both of these are not Bath & Body Works candles, which that's unusual for me. But this first one is from Adirondack Candle Company, and this was a gift from my boss when she went to the Adirondacks. And I love the smell of this candle. What it says on the front is handmade, richly scented candles from deep in the woods of the Adirondack Mountains. Light one and take a journey. It just smells so good. It smells like the outdoors and like Christmas time. I don't know. I love this. I never looked actually if they have a website. So maybe I'll check that out and see if I can order these online. Or if we ever go to the Adirondacks, I can find them and purchase it. And then my other candle is this American Home. I think I've had one of these in an empties before. But this scent is Warm and Happy Home. It just smells like cinnamon. It's amazing smelling. But while this smells really good, the scent of these candles doesn't really carry. You can light it, but you have to be in like a very close vicinity to actually like smell it. So I think this is like from like Walmart or something. It says American Home by Yankee Candle. I honestly think it's like their cheaper version. I believe that was a gift. So of course I used it up and I thought it smelled amazing, but I prefer like a Bath and Body Works candle or other candles that really like scent your home. Like I can light a Bath and Body Works candle and it scents my whole downstairs. So that's definitely what I prefer. So I probably won't be repurchasing this, but if you're shopping for candles on a budget, this might be a good option. It smells amazing too, so I will say that. It definitely smells good. And with that being said, that is all my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and just getting to see what I have finished up, what I love, what I don't love, what I kind of like, what I kind of don't like, and all of that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We recently, I think yesterday, which this video will be going up a little bit after that, but I believe yesterday we hit 900 subscribers. I really want to hit 1,000 this year, so if you stay to the end of this video, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.